You've probably seen this infinity loop before, right? It always looked kind of confusing, like, what does it even do? Well, that's the symbol of continuous integration and continuous delivery, or continuous deployment. In this video, we'll break it down and walk through what actually happened behind that loop. But before we talk about CI/CD itself, let's talk what's happening without it. Usually, every developer is working on their own feature, then making changes, pushing code, and merging it to the main branch. And usually, more than one developer is working on the same repository simultaneously. These guys don't have automated builds or automated tests, so every change should be tested locally. Builds have to be triggered manually only after a batch of changes is merged. This means if something breaks, it's hard to tell which commit caused the issue. You're left digging through the pipe of changes to find the root cause. As a result, the main branch becomes unstable. The lack of automation means bugs discovered late, and developers receive no immediate feedback on their changes. Version bumps have to be done manually. This means your dev, staging, and production environment end up slightly different. When release day is coming, the team freezes the code, bundles all the changes together, and crosses their fingers because they don't have an automated rollback. So how do we fix it? It's where the first part of CI/CD is come in, continuous integration. When a developer pushes a code to a main branch, an automated CI pipeline kicks off. It builds the code, runs unit tests, checks for code quality, builds and publishes an artifact, and reports an instant feedback to a developer. Once all the checks pass, the feature branch can finally be merged into the main branch. And here's the coolest part, even the merge itself triggers the CI pipeline again, just to make sure that nothing breaks after all changes come together. At the end of this process, you will get tested, verified, and ready to deploy artifact. Next, the CD pipeline takes over. It automatically pulls that artifact from the repository, applies configuration settings like environment variables and secrets, and deploys the app to a staging environment. From there, an automated smoke tests or health checks make sure everything is working as expected. If something's wrong, the system can stop the deployment and roll back to a previous version. Then comes the final step, production. In continuous delivery, the deployment needs the manual approval. In continuous deployment, it's fully automated. As soon as tests pass, it ships live automatically. Let's sum up. CI keeps your main branch stable, tested, and catches problem early, way before they ever reach production. CD helps you deploy safely and reliably by automating the whole process. In the next video, we'll build a real pipeline step by step. If this helped you understand CI/CD, hit subscribe.